Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change the air filter on an Alfa Romeo Giulietta. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new air filter. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you start. The air filter housing is usually a black plastic box located on the right side of the engine bay, often connected to a large intake hose. It's a straightforward. Now let's get into the housing. You'll likely see a few clips or screws holding the top cover in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully loosen these. There might also be a sensor or a small hose connected. Gently disconnect these to allow for full access. Once all fasteners are removed, carefully lift the top half of the air filter housing. It should come off with a little wiggle, revealing the old, dirty air filter inside. With the old arm out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new lower control arm into place and loosely install all the mounting bolts and nuts. Next, reconnect the ball joint to the steering knuckle, ensuring it's properly seated. Finally, reattach the sway bar link to the new control arm, making sure all connections are secure but not yet fully tightened. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully lower the air filter housing cover back into place, ensuring it aligns properly. Reattach all the clips or screws you removed earlier, making sure they are snug but not over-tightened. Don't forget to reconnect any sensors or hoses you disconnected. Once everything is secure, start your engine for a few moments to confirm there are no unusual noises and that your Alfa Romeo Giulietta is running smoothly. You've done it!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.